Dili sa activity na ilang mga. Dili siya more experimentation na siya. More ano na siya, cut out activity. So, our activity for group 2 is global wind belt cut out activity. So, here are the mechanics. So, I will provide the materials na so, I will give you 5 minutes. Oh? Map and 3 cut out of the different global wind belts, straight winds, westerlies, and northerlies. So, the group will carefully place and place the wind belt cut out onto the correct regions of the map. They should label the names, direction using arrows na yung mga arrows nila na ano color is the indication. Murag na material. Dito na ako para nakikita. So once done, each group will double check your map and remember na out. So, di ba, kung naman mo napilit na nato na. So, murag ang activity. Ang pag-present ninyo, pag-present ninyo is para siyang weather forecast. Weather forecast. While nag-conduct ang group, okay, discuss na ako. So global wind belt. So the global wind belt is the Earth's surface by the sun and the planet's rotation. They help distribute heat and moisture around the globe, and they are the key part of the Earth's climate system. So the global wind, di ba? Ang local wind guys, so hindi siya ka ng small scale na ang local wind. Well, ang global wind naman kay large scale na siya kaya kay whole Earth. Tapos, there are 3 main winds or global wind belts around the Earth. These are the tropical disturbance, westerlies, and polar disturbance. So tropical disturbance, from the word itself, tropical, ang wind nakikita siya sa different tropic parts of the Earth. Ang location niya kay 0 degree to 30 degree latitude. Kung sa mga latitude, vertical or horizontal? Vertical. They are persistent winds that go westward and toward the equator from the subtropical high pressure belts. So, ang tropical disturbance kaya ang diyahang wind ay ikan sa mga subtropical high pressure. It means high pressure is ang wind na iyang dinadala around the Earth is init or init or cold, warm or cold. High pressure belt. So trade winds also finally converted an area near the ITC or intertropical convergence zone, producing a narrow belt of clouds. So in ITC, siya ang cause ng mga thunderstorms, mga ulan around different parts of the Earth. So most tropical storms, including hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons, develop as trade winds. So ano pa wind na, ang mga wind na pinagmulan ng mga bagyo or different cyclones around the parts of the Earth is, ang wind is tropical disturbance. So next is westerlies. Ang location sa westerlies, di ba, 0.0 degree to 30 degree to polar westerlies. Kaya westerlies takes 30 degree to 60 degree latitude. So they are moist, prevailing winds that blow from the subtropical high pressure. So same na siya sa tropical na warm air ang ganun kinadala. Pero naay ganun direction towards the polar low pressure. So from warm air to air. Westerlies come from the southwest. So ano na makita ang southwest? Southwest.
Dere, sa wala,
Southwest in the northern hemisphere, in the northwest in the southern hemisphere. hangin ng polar system is may dry, cold, prevailing winds. Kaya kung ano man siya cold, kaibigan ang wind kaibigan sa mga polar regions. Sa mga polar regions,
North and South.
North and South. So, nag-rise bitaw ang wind na mag-blow around the parts of the globe. So, they blow toward low pressure areas within the western and the high latitude. So, cold air subside at the pole creating high pressure, creating a northward flow wind toward the equator in the southern hemisphere. So, ano mga cold air na dito sa mga polar regions is mato na siya sa equator. So, ma-cold, kung dire kay cold to warm air na applicable, kay mato naman siya sa equatorial warm back. So, kung asa ka ng mga warm air kay na dito, so masama na siya dito. Thus, these prevailing winds blow from the east to the west. Or just the east is what is the west. Since the winds originated in the east, they are known as westerly. Oh, westerlies. So, tropical easterlies. Ang mga location niya, ang tropical easterly is 0 to 30 latitude, 80 latitude. Ang westerly is 30 to 60. And then ang polar kay 60 to 90. Mali naman na siya. Hard there. Okay na ako nila.
Okay lang to. Last na mga hours.
So we will wait for the group to finish their and then present the time sila. And then we will proceed to the next group. Wait for
Sige, lagi
Okay, pura.
Nagbabaga.
Babae mo.
Nagbabaga.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. So, we've shown here the winds of the global wind belts, which are the tropical easterlies, westerlies, and polar easterlies. So, at the 0 degree to 30 degree latitude, we have here the tropical easterlies. So, ito yung direction ng wind, and then we have here 30 to 60 degrees latitude is the wind of westerlies. So, when you have direction, then yellow ha, westerlies. Then 60 degree latitude to 90 degree latitude is polar westerly. So, when siya red na mga araw, na wind.
At para ibon ang ating proyekto, ay importansya ng ating hangin natin dito sa ating church is hindi ba constant ang hangin natin dito. So, dito magagamit ito ng mga sailor pang navigate dahil constant yung rotate ng earth from west to east. Tapos, dito naman ay, at ito, bakit ganito ang ikot ng hangin is because ating maraming factor, for example, yung rotation ng earth, at saka din yung mga temperature ng pag-rise at ng pag-ubos. Thank you.